What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a poster professional effect design on Canva. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your Canva, find the design to the size that you need and apply your photo, okay? After, click on the photo and on the top bar, click on Edit menu. Go to Filters and click on See All. Scroll down until you find the tone. You can create it into the color that you want for the end, but I prefer this amber. After this, review the left sidebar of menus, go to Elements and search for Light and go to Graphics, See All. I like this one, but you can choose any one you like, okay? Make it much bigger, just like this. You can use this to hover some person's face as well. I think this way is okay, just a little more. After, go back to your photos, okay? Or to your uploads, click into the photo and align it. It must be perfectly aligned, because after alignment we're gonna click on it and click on BG remover, so remove the background. Here is the start result. Now review the upper right corner for screens, left corner for screens, go to Elements, search for clouds, graphics, let's choose this one, I think is okay, and let's make it bigger, just like this. I think we can apply it right here. Click on duplicate, apply another one right here. Click on duplicate, apply another one right here. Click on duplicate, apply another one right here. I think this way is okay. After, go to text, title, type your title, just like this. Let me make it bigger. Align right here. Then change the color of this title. And into fonts, we're gonna search for Barbara. That is one of my favorites. This one is awesome as well. And here is the result we got. A very creative banner style. And you can do this with person's faces or anything you want. Simple, easy and effective. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.